ವೀರಶೈವ ಸಮಾಜದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಿರಿಯರಿಗೂ, ನನ್ನ ಬಂಧುಗಳಿಗೂ, ಸಹೋದರ ಸಹೋದರಿಯರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. After being a life member of this great organization for nearly 2 decades, I am grateful for the opportunity Guru Basava, Lord Shiva, and all of you have given to me to serve you as your first servant. It is a great privilege, humbled by this honor and cherishing every moment in my various interactions with all of you. While growing up back in our home country, we are all strongly influenced by the diversity among the various faiths, rituals, and belief systems around us. Truly, it was exceedingly difficult to understand the uniqueness of our own faith as the focus of us and our immediate family was to study, compete, find a profession, and progress. Hence, whenever we arrived at the adopted land here, we were a bundle of mixed beliefs. Some of us brought incredibly young children along with us, and few were born here. But we did not make it easy for them too. Now, they are facing more difficult situation to define their identity amid strong influence of North American culture and rapid modernization. In this mixture of faith and beliefs, changed circumstances, confusion creeps in, and we ourselves do not see a clear path forward. While we were at that state, our great organization VSNA stood more than 4 decades and helped us to find ourselves and inculcate the essence of our faith in our children and families in our adopted land here. While going through this transformation state, like many of you, I never realized the important role of VSNA was playing. But after raising a family in this adopted land, VSNA's huge contribution has become very clear to me. We all need to thank our senior members who built this organization with their passion, vision, and made it available to all of us. After giving so much to our lives and families, what is the expectation of VSNA from all of us? That is loyalty to VSNA. I tell this to many of my colleagues and fellow leaders of VSNA. It is fine if you don't like me. It is okay if you don't admire. No issues if you don't appreciate my work. Still, I like, admire, and appreciate you as long as you are totally loyal to VSNA organization, its mission, goals, and objectives. Our team was given responsibility on first week of February 2021, around 5 months before, which provided an opportunity for the first time for me to watch the organization closely. Having associated with various other non-profit organizations, I am amazed by the vastness, the grassroots involvement, and strength of VSNA. No doubt, all over the world, many leaders consider VSNA organization as their role model. Due to the onslaught of COVID during 2020, from June 2020, our organization came to a standstill. Hence, we wanted to try our first experiment by organizing VSNA all chapters Mahashivratri dedicated to Akkamahadevi at a national level. Even though skeptical, we plunged into organizing the event, but obtained overwhelming support from all the chapters to make this virtual event successful. Nearly 900 families viewed the program live and recorded. I sincerely thank all our chapter presidents for their contributions to this success. Encouraged by this success, we went with a vision of organizing a truly international Basava Jayanti event with an aim to expand the celebration of our Guru's message to all the Kannadigas and Indians. We solicited support and endorsement from many Kannada and Indian organizations in North America, Europe, Middle East, Australasia, including India. Nearly 50 organizations joined our effort, and most importantly, Basava Samiti of Bangalore joined us formally as organizing partner with the formal approval of board of directors of both the organizations. A whole day program was coordinated and was split into morning and evening sessions to accommodate the enhanced international participation, and was on 3 YouTube and Facebook channels. Our message reached more than 140,000 viewers all over the world. During this last 4 months, our organization expanded its reach by inducting 2 new chapters, VSNA San Antonio, Basavakuta of Texas, VSNA Alberta, our second chapter in Canada. It gives me such a pleasure to see both the chapter leaders and members actively participating in our convention activities. Due to onslaught of COVID, for the first time in the past 44 years, VSNA was not able to celebrate the annual convention last year. With positive input received from all our seniors and leaders, we did not want to go without our annual convention this year too. Hence, for the first time, all the chapters of VSNA have joined hands together. All the chapter presidents are actively involved in organizing this unique VSNA 44th Samanvaya Convention virtually to bring to your homes. We conducted various competitions for our children of all our chapters, and please make sure to be present on Saturday and Sunday evening to listen to their Vachana recital, explanation of meanings, and wonderful speeches given by them about our Veerashaiva Lingayat faith. Standing just one step ahead of you, I see a strong and robust future for our beloved VSNA. While organically growing from a small to a gigantic organization, few structural modifications might be needed in the near future. Our board is evaluating various ways to strengthen our inter-chapter collaboration, international coordination, and networking by developing various interest groups. We are gravitating towards the concept: once you are a member of a chapter, you're already a member of VSNA all chapters. Once you are a member of a chapter, you're already a member of VSNA all chapters. An attempt to merge our chapter and central annual membership. We are exploring to develop an integrated website to host all the chapters to provide secure membership data and payment processes. We are planning to organize biannual North American level competitions to provide a national platform for our children whose opportunities are very limited in chapter level. We are dreaming to develop an opportunity for our children to understand Vachanas while formally learning Kannada with our effort. Many such enthusiastic teams in the past with the same fervor have worked hard for VSNA to develop this organization to this level. With all your blessings, with all humbleness, our team will work hard for remaining period of our term to serve VSNA better. Our convention team has many day sessions and 2 more evening main programs scheduled for your participation and to bring all of you together. It gives me a lot of pleasure to declare today, I am proud to be life member of Veerashaiva Samaja of North America. I am proud to be life member of Veerashaiva Samaja of North America. God bless you. Sharanu Sharanam.